What's up guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can unlock daily rewards in Hamster Kombat. In order to get started, you need to go to your Hamster Kombat bot. And right now we see daily reward, daily cipher, daily combo. And we are trying to unlock daily rewards. So we click on daily rewards. And this is a way to earn more coins. And right now you see you have the video on Hamster YouTube. I would advise to watch this video because it's a very easy way to get more coins. And we have the daily reward, and that is something you can claim every day. So you just click on claim, and I receive 500, and I need to be online for 10 consecutive days without skipping. So make sure you log in every single day, and then at day 10 you will get 5 million coins. So I just need to make sure to come back tomorrow and build this up, and then I will have a lot of coins. So I would advise you to do so. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.